This is olive oil. So I want to make aloe vera oil. Are you seeing it? So I'm going to blend it. So stay tuned. Getting aloe vera now is very difficult because we are in winter here. So if you are in a country which you can get aloe vera easily, I think you should be making aloe vera juice. So it's very good for hair growth. It helps a lot to boost your hair for growth, you know. So aloe vera works a lot in terms of hair booster, you know. Because why you don't see me using aloe vera is this, because we are in winter. To get aloe vera now is very, very difficult. Are you seeing the greenish? So the aloe vera oil is almost ready. So I'll still leave it to cook a bit. So are you saying it is very green? Are you saying it? Are you saying it? Essential oil. So you have to stir everything together. So my girlfriend, if you have a friend that is making all those things, don't worry, guy. When she's coming to visit you, definitely she will bring one for you. All right. So I am making this aloe vera oil for my friend. So we are going to visit her tomorrow. So it's ready. Are you seeing it? So this is organic aloe vera oil for hair growth, for massive hair growth. So I want to turn it now. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Are you seeing it? This is organic aloe vera oil. Did you see it? Bye.